Nature doesn't play by the rules. Some adaptations are so strange they seem impossible. Animals that break their own bones as weapons, primates with built-in sonar, mammals dressed in medieval armor. Evolution got weird with these creatures. Hold on tight. We're ranking the 8 most unbelievable animal upgrades. These adaptations blew your mind. Information Thin delivers fresh wonders daily. Tap subscribe so you never miss nature's weirdest secrets. Nothing prepares you for number 3. It's like nature said, let's try something crazy. Number 8. SAIGA antelope, the alien-nosed survivor. Roaming the steppes of Central Asia, the SAIGA antelope's most striking feature is its bizarre, trunk-like nose that resembles something from a science fiction movie. This extraordinary nasal structure serves multiple critical functions. During summer migrations, it filters out massive dust clouds kicked up by the herd, while in freezing winters, it warms incoming air before reaching the lungs. Recent research reveals the nose also acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying the male's deep mating calls across the open plains. But this Ice Age relic faces modern threats. Climate change has triggered deadly bacterial outbreaks, while poaching for traditional Chinese medicine has devastated populations. From over 1 million in the 1990s, fewer than 150,000 remain today, making conservation efforts increasingly urgent. The SAIGA's story represents one of evolution's most peculiar solutions to environmental challenges, now threatened by human activity. Number 7. Hairy frog, the wolverine amphibian. Native to Central Africa, this unassuming frog earned its name from the hair-like skin filaments males develop during mating season. But its most shocking adaptation remains hidden until threatened. The hairy frog can deliberately fracture its own toe bones, forcing sharp bony claws through the skin like organic switchblades. This extreme defense mechanism, called autotomy, is unique among vertebrates. The claws likely break through special weakened areas in the toe bones when the frog tenses its leg muscles. While the claws eventually retract, scientists are still studying how the frog avoids infection from these repeated internal wounds. Some local hunters reportedly refuse to touch these frogs, believing their supernatural abilities make them dangerous. A rare case where folklore aligns with scientific reality. Number 6. Proboscis monkey, the Pinocchio primate. Borneo's proboscis monkeys turn conventional primate attractiveness on its head. Males develop enormous pendulous noses that can grow up to 7 inches long, the largest nose relative to body size of any primate. Far from a handicap, this nasal appendage serves as a natural resonating chamber, allowing males to produce deep, resonant warning calls that travel farther through dense mangrove forests. Females consistently prefer males with larger noses, suggesting sexual selection drives this extreme feature. The monkey's potbellies contain a specialized, multi-chambered stomach that neutralizes toxins from their primary food source, mangrove leaves. Number 5. Lyrebird, nature's ultimate mimic. Australia's superb lyrebird possesses arguably the most sophisticated vocal abilities in the animal kingdom. Its syrinx, vocal organ, can recreate nearly any sound with perfect accuracy, from chainsaws and camera shutters to other bird species' complete songs. Males incorporate these sounds into elaborate mating displays, with some individuals documented mimicking up to 20 different species in a single performance. Recent studies show they don't just copy sounds, they sequence them in logical patterns, suggesting advanced cognitive processing. Their incredible mimicry likely evolved to impress mates in dense forests where visual displays would be less effective. Sadly, their amazing adaptations haven't protected them from habitat loss, with populations declining due to bushfires and land clearing. Number 4. Pangolin, the walking artichoke. Pangolins are nature's original armored mammals, covered in overlapping keratin scales so tough they can deflect lion bites. When threatened, they roll into an impregnable ball so tight, even determined predators usually give up. Their scales account for about 20% of their body weight, the highest proportion of any mammal. But their most remarkable adaptation is their tongue, which attaches not in the mouth but deep in the chest cavity. When fully extended, it can be longer than the animal's entire body, perfect for probing deep into ant nests. Number 3. Naked mole rat. These East African rodents break nearly every biological rule. They live like insects in queen-dominated colonies, can survive 18 minutes without oxygen, and feel no pain from acid burns. Most incredibly, they're essentially cancer-proof. Their cells have multiple redundant mechanisms to prevent uncontrolled growth. Their wrinkled, hairless appearance results from adaptations to underground life. They don't need fur in constant 86-degree Fahrenheit tunnel systems. Their blood chemistry allows them to thrive in low-oxygen environments that would kill other mammals. Number 2. The ii, nature's creepiest primate. Madagascar's ii combines so many bizarre features it was originally classified as a rodent. Its skeletal middle finger is 3 times longer than its others, used to tap on wood and detect insect larvae through echolocation. The only primate that hunts this way. Its continuously growing incisors, like a rodent's, allow it to gnaw through bark. Large, sensitive ears rotate independently to pinpoint prey, while huge eyes help it navigate nighttime forests. Despite its frightening appearance to locals, who often kill it as an omen of death, the ii represents an extraordinary example of evolutionary specialization, filling the ecological niche of a woodpecker in a land where none exist. Number 1. OKAPI, the living fossil giraffe. The okapi of Congo's rainforests look like zebra-giraffe hybrids, but they're actually the giraffe's only living relative. Their striking striped hindquarters provide perfect camouflage in dappled forest light, while their 18-inch prehensile tongues can clean their own eyelids and ears. What makes them truly remarkable is their status as a living fossil. Their basic form has remained unchanged for millions of years. Specialized scent glands on their feet leave chemical messages for other okapis, while their large, flexible ears can detect predators at great distances.